Lachlan Luigi's Mansion 2001 Master Presents. Green Bone Goomba destroys the washing machine / grounded. And it was inspired by Krakow Fanatic 2022 and various users. And also, this is my first episode of Green Bone Goomba Gets Grounded, so enjoy the video.
Man, I could not believe that I got grounded again. What am I going to do now? I have an idea. I'm going to destroy the washing machine. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. All right, I'm in the bathroom now to destroy the washing machine. Yes, I destroyed the washing machine. Yes, I destroyed the washing machine. Yes, I destroyed the washing machine. Green Bone Goomba, we heard that you destroyed our washing machine. Is this true? Well, you're gonna be so furious when I tell you, but yes, I destroyed the washing machine. Green Bone Goomba, how dare you destroy our washing machine? Now we need a new washing machine because of you.
I strongly agree with your father. You are grounded for 5 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room, right now.
And don't come out until dinner time.
Yes, y'all. Sorry, y'all.